everyone, Sashikal, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about Dia Mirza in today's Steal the Style. The girl with no skin issues, the girl with the perfect skin, the girl who looks like a porcelain doll, or I would say the girl who may get dirty if you touch her. She looks so beautiful, so perfect, so put together, so classy whensoever you look at her. So if you want to know more about Dia Mirza's secrets and how she takes care of her skin care, makeup and workout, you know what to do. Please keep on watching.
जरा जरा बहकता है महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन मैं प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में.
She keeps herself hydrated with lot of water and she stays away from alcohol. Dia loves using face creams which give a glow and which can highlight her cheekbones. She doesn't step out without using sun protection. For her skin, she relies religiously on French cosmetic brand Uriage. She follows cleansing, toning and moisturizing wherever she is. She's a fan of the Body Shop products. While traveling, she makes sure to moisturize her face, hands and feet regularly. She loves oiling her hair. Dia does a ponytail while traveling to avoid frizz. In winters, she uses moisture-intensive conditioner and hair butter for her dry hair. She doesn't experiment with her hair with different treatments, and also she doesn't use chemicals on her hair. When it comes to Dia's workout, she does a mix of meditation and regular workout. She also finds painting a stress buster. Before using a foundation, she always uses a primer. Dia prefers liquid foundation over a stick. She likes to use translucent powder to seal the foundation properly. She loves using MAC Studio Fix for the oil balance on her skin. In her beauty kit, you will find a sunscreen, a mascara, a cheek tint, a lip balm and a hairbrush. In her handbag, apart from her beauty kit, she carries her eye drops, a diary, her wallet, sunglasses, hand sanitizer, a perfume, some rubber bands and some medications. That's like many things. When she's wearing a beautiful or attractive dress, she likes to keep her makeup toned down. She carries her own makeup kit to the sets and loves to do light coverage makeup. For day look, she likes earthy tones. For night, she likes coal and smudgy black eye. She uses lip balm religiously. And when it comes to her lipstick, she loves using light pink and brown shades. She doesn't have a favorite fragrance, but she likes using Infinity.
That's it in today's video. I hope you have made your mind to steal some of the beauty secrets of Dia Mirza to look impeccable just like her, because I have stolen mine. But before I end today's video, I have a small request to make. I want you guys to write down what kind of videos you would like to see next. Is there a particular series that you want me to make, or are there some particular topics that you want me to discuss on my channel? And if you really like me or this video or this topic today, then only give this video big thumbs up, or even a small thumbs up. But yes, do let me know what kind of videos you would like to see next, because that will help me a lot. And before leaving my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.